Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix auto typing keyboard, or if your keyboard is auto typing or like typing wrong letters, then let's go quick into the process. First is you need to make sure that your physical keyboard is not damaged physically. Like if your keyboard is damaged physically, then you need to replace that. But if it is not damaged physically and it is not on the case, or it is not physical case, then let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate keyboards. So here you will find your keyboard driver. And if you have more than one keyboard driver, the process is just the same. You need to do this for each driver. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And then you have to click on yes, and that will restart your Windows. And after that, simply check if the problem has been fixed. But if not, then go back to the same device manager window. Then locate keyboards again, expand the list, and you'll find your keyboard driver. Make a right click, select update driver. This time you need to choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, then just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Then you have to click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And then you have to click on yes again, and that will restart your computer. And if that helped you fix the issue, well, good. For the final method is you need to go back to the same device manager window, locate keyboards again, expand the list, and then make a right click on your keyboard driver, select uninstall device. You have to click on uninstall, and after you have clicked on uninstall, that will uninstall the keyboard driver from your Windows. And after that, you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. After you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.